the old floor, it's going to go. And next time you see this, there'll be a brand new tile floor. Also working on that car. Next time you see it, it'll be finished. So the weekend that I started on this retaining wall. And we've done a bit over there already. Come over and let's have a look. That's going to be the corner pole. Never going to look like that again. This is late in the evening. Sunday's work is done. For a meal that our darling Joan has prepared for us today.
Get a picture of this, I can't say it here. Don't know if pumpkin, especially for you.
Did you hear what she said, Mum? She goes, get a picture of this, I can't say it here.
The tiles are all gone. I'll move it, Joan. This is Joan's big day. Have a look down here. A new dishwasher was installed. And what a job it was, let me tell you. Anyway, viewers, let's go outside and have a look at the retaining wall. Today, not a real lot, due to having to do the dishwasher. There you can see it. Well, there you have it. That's the stage we've gotten to by today, Sunday the 19th. It's now 4:30 in the afternoon and BBC's closed. Can't get any more bolts, so this is where we stop today. Cool. Work of art, isn't it? A near completed retaining wall. Next time you see that, it's going to be filled in with soil.
That's over. As you can see over there. Go away.
What do you think of it, Damien? Pretty good retainer, eh?
Yeah, true.